Hey guys, and welcome to the channel. This is Time FK7. My name is Chris and I make videos on this 2021 Honda Civic Sport hatchback. So if you're new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button, hit that bell icon so that you can get notified every time I post a video on the channel, because I do post every Saturdays and Tuesday. Now with that being said, today's video is just going to be a short video, and this is for the CVT owners wondering how exactly do you get that whooshing noise when your car is not in gear or when it's parked. So you may remember from my last video, I did install the PRL Short Ram Intake in this car. If you want to see the installation video, be sure to check that out. And I've been getting a lot of questions asking, how do you get that whooshing noise when the car is in park? So I decided to make a video on how exactly to do that. With that being said, let's go. So we're inside of the car right now. And as you can see, I have the leaf icon right there, meaning that this car is in the eco mode. See if there's an actual difference to the noise. And as you can see, I have a camera set up right outside. That way it can record any type of noise that's coming from the car. And of course, I have this camera that's rolling right now so that it can record the inside noise. Now, the first step is obviously make sure that the car is in park. So you're going to then put the handbrake on, just like that. All right. So when your handbrake is on, make sure you keep your left foot on the brake, just like that. Then you're going to press on the gas with your right foot. So this is what it sounds like in eco mode with the Short Ram Intake. So we're going to put that in drive. Remember, left foot on the brake, right foot on the gas. So we're going to go ahead and do that. Alright, so that's the demonstration with the eco mode on. Now this is going to be without the eco mode. So same thing earlier, e-brake, left foot on the brake, and then right foot on the gas. Then we're going to go ahead and put it on drive. So now we're going to go ahead and put it on sport to see if there's any actual difference in sound. Let's go. All right, so that is a demonstration. Now that's with the hood closed. I'm going to go ahead and do it with the hood open. And of course, for those of you who are wondering, this is what it sounds like, just regular park mode, just by stepping on the gas. Alright guys, so that about wraps up this video. If you like this video, be sure to hit that like button, comment down below what you guys think of this video. And if ever you're in the market for LED lights or floor mats, be sure to check out LastFit, because they really do have amazing products, and use code CTFK7 for that 10% off all LastFit items. It applies for all makes and models of cars, so be sure to check out their site. Again, that's CTFK7 for 10% off. Now that being said, this is Time FK7. Thank you all for watching, and peace out.